think it's actually too cold for this to work. Oh, there we go. All right. So yeah, this is it. This is 2016. Looks we got a walker over here. Interesting. Well, I shouldn't be out here either, so... let's see what's going on over here. So... it's not so bad, huh? If anybody's wondering, this is Far Rockaway. And like I said, I really shouldn't be out here right now. I figured let me not let this go to waste. Who the heck is that? Where are all these cars coming from, my dude? Alright, I'm assuming they have to be from the city, maybe. I know that guy is right there. Alright, come on, focus. Alright, doesn't matter. I got another walker. Interesting. Alright, let me mind my business. You know what, let's walk a bit. How about that? Let's walk a bit. Still coming down pretty hard, as you guys can see. Oh, oops. What did I do? Okay. Definitely condition still. Cannot deny. Chatter this way. Should we try to do a little time of focusing? Sorry, excuse my language, damn it. Crazy, guys. This is it. This is it. Come on, man. Wow, you guys probably hear me like breathing loudly. I see some poor fella down there. What's he trying to do? Crazy, guys. This is insane. This is insane. Ridiculous. I guess it's our fellow feeder over here. Ow, ow, ow. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go home now. I think I showed enough. This is it. This is let's see, you guys wanna see. Just figured out from my perspective, I guess. Oh, you guys hear that? Is that the wind?